Okay, this right here is the Fisherman's Wharf, basically. So we have this beautiful waterfront, music, kind of cool stuff. I haven't filmed here in a while. I'll tell you why, but I'll just do the intro first. And we're gonna do a little bit of a walk inside. There's Sands Casino down that way. So probably what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a little bit of a clue of the Coliseum, and then we're gonna go in towards this little way here through these gates and walk down and show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's just go directly this way first. Got a little ice cream vendor. You have this Coliseum. The Coliseum has it has like the ruins of the casino. There's ruins of the Sands Casino right there. And over here it says Macau. That's perfect for Instagram right there. You get that in your image as well. Okay, so let's just walk around a little tiny bit, and we're gonna just show you a little bit of the Coliseum part, which is right over here. And you can always see people trying to get that perfect shot in this space. And there it is right there. So what we're gonna do is come on through this way. And now you can see the Coliseum from a side view. And it's very, very photogenic, as you can imagine. Let's just kind of pop in here a little bit. Yeah, you got the Sands Casino in the background as well. And then you have lots of photogenic images everywhere. And there's the Coliseum right there. So, okay. With the Sands Casino. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to go back over by the sands behind it a little bit. So stay tuned. More cool stuff everywhere. So this is also a convention center, so it's a nice venue for tourists when they come into the city of Macau, so they can see. And as you can see, it's very, very photogenic. A lot of people come over here, take some photos. And that's the Coliseum and the Sands Casino right that way. And what we're going to do is we're going to come around the side and kind of cut through. I think you can see the Sands Casino right there. And we're going to walk right down this little alley, and when we get in there, you're going to see things like a New Orleans feel, Amsterdam, a lot of different. There's the courtyard right here. Feelings, coffee, different food venues. So, okay, so stay tuned, and we're just gonna go right over to that other side there. So now we're back at the Coliseum part, and then you can see all the different groups that are here. So this is basically the little spot that we went through. That looks very European, the little horse up on top. Sands, and now we're gonna just walk through here. And then we're just gonna go all the way down and kind of give you an idea of what's in here. And I guess they call this Legend Boulevard. Just kind of be a little, those are the restaurants in here. More. And it's basically just a little strip right here. So let's go check it out. Yeah, we're gonna get into some Christmas themes as well. And sometimes they'll have events that, that are out here as well. There's the Christmas theme one right there with the sands in the background. And then let's kind of look down that way as well. You have some really beautiful buildings. The lights are just coming on. You got amazing lighting right now. Yeah, actually Macau is really beautiful if you can film it right at this time. And then over on the other side, they have a little bit of a Mediterranean which looks pretty cool too. I think actually the better side looks like this. This looks really nice, just having that blue and yellow, those backgrounds. And then we got some bars here. They have the Veranda, which is DD3. We also have some waterfronts out that way as well. We're gonna walk over that way a little bit later. And then you can see kind of a the convention is right nearby. So you can see that kind of theme as well. El Laguito, looks like a wine, cigar shop. Then you also got some restaurants. There's a Brazilian churrasco here. There's a Thai one. We're gonna be walking by both of those, I'm sure. Chinese one, of course. How can you not have that? This right here is, they bring people down the Legend Boulevard for free. It's like a shuttle, free shuttle. Here's the Sands Casino in the background. Another little Christmas thing right here. Goes down to the waterfront. Should take you down there, but I think, hello. And we're gonna keep on going down. We got the Thai restaurant right here as well. And this goes all the way down to the Rocks Casino. So we're gonna go all the way down that way and a tiny little bit. And then this is our Amsterdam theme right there. So if you can see those. There's somebody setting up some photography shots. And then straight ahead we have a New Orleans one. And there's a few other ones. There's also some casinos here. It's getting a little bit darker, but I think my main goal was just to kind of introduce you to the fact that this is here. Another Christmas theme part. I think this one is the Brazilian one right here, Rio. So it's open and closes at 6:30, so it's just a daytime one. So in the daytime you'd have to get here and you could have some good Brazilian food. Oh, it's kind of cool. There's definitely stuff to go in here, but I'm gonna go down this one. And the main reason I'm gonna go down this one is because it has this really beautiful New Orleans one. And I think what I'm gonna also do is end on this one. Just by trying to capture the scenery. Then you can also see there's a restaurant all the way down here as well. Nice one. So we're gonna just walk down it. Yeah, I didn't have the restaurant before that I recall. We're just gonna walk down to the waterfront. Then you can get this view. So there's different restaurants and all kinds of different stuff, all here on Fisherman's Wharf. There's the ferries. That's that out there goes to Hong Kong. That bridge goes to Taipa. So you have this beautiful waterfront and these piers. And it goes all the way down there as well. It's Rocks Hotel. And then you got a restaurant right here. So a little bit of Fisherman's Wharf for you. And I guess we're gonna end it right there. So hope you enjoyed that one. A little element of Macau that you might not have known was here. It's really pretty right there. Just kind of back up like that. And then you have this really nice New Orleans kind of look with the waterfront right there. Amazing. Okay, so that'll be our final shot right there. Hope you like that one. A little bit of Macau for you. And yeah, really nice little buildings and nice little theme here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.